up faster, right, Dad?
Yep.
So I won't take as much video?
Or I'll get some video. You don't need to worry about it.
No? Yeah, you're right. Good job.
Was that fun? They got different.
Yeah, why don't you try it? Just be careful, okay? Very good. Wow, new cake story there. And I like your pipe. Very cool pipe. Oh my goodness. Very cool. I love cats.
It's probably going to be a mountain, some kind of mountain lion.
Uh-huh. Cool. Very good job, guys. There's your books. You can keep those. So let's do the Junior Ranger pledge. So in order to do that, we're going to put one hand on the headstone. Raise your other hand. And repeat after me. I say your name. Am proud to be a National Park Service Junior Ranger. I promise to appreciate, respect, and protect all national parks. I will share what I learn with family and friends. Oh, no, not yet. No. All right, congratulations. Sorry, I got a little distracted there. All right, let's get you your certificate.